All right, guys, we're going to this new place called the Storm and Crab. That's right, more seafood. We're going to give you an honest review of this place. Brand new, just opened. We've been waiting for months for this place to open. And Charles and I are going to go in and give the same kind of treatment we gave to juicy seafood. So let's go in and try it out. Okay, this looks exactly like the other place. It's got the same, and they got, look at the spinning logo.
Love it.
I love that too. So, all right, we're going to our table now. All right, so I got to ask you. You have no relationship with Juicy Seafood, or you do?
No, none at all. Actually, he has copied almost everything from our restaurant in Clarksville, Tennessee. Our store's been open for almost 2 years now. He actually used to come in. He came in and took pictures.
Literally?
Literally took pictures of everything.
He's supposed to look just like this.
We found out because he told, he started coming in and asking our employees
Right.
what was in the Cajun seasoning and trying to get all that information.
But you were the first, right?
Yes.
Okay, where are your locations?
Clarksville, Tennessee, Clarksville, Indiana, Syracuse, New York, and right here in Madison, Tennessee. We're about to open Lexington, Knoxville, and Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Okay, you're booming. You're booming. You guys are booming.
Yeah,
I love that.
Really well. We're doing
all
really
right.
well. We've been blessed.
That's so cool. That's so cool. So how long did it take you to get this one open? It seemed like you were here a while.
Yeah, this one actually took us longer to. We've been here for.
It was
since
political.
Like May of last year. What happened is NES in October. NES had quoted us a 3-week time frame to put a power pole out back.
Okay.
Our goal was to be open in November.
It was just appealing to the city.
It didn't get done until middle of January.
Wow, our mouth has been watering. We've been waiting for you guys to make it happen.
A piece for everybody.
A seafood bread, never heard
Yes,
that.
it does have crab in it. What it is crab, mayonnaise, cheese, parsley, garlic. I do make it like a crab dip and then spread it on top of a baguette. Toast it in the oven until it gets all melty and gooey.
Okay.
So you tell me, give me the number. What's the best appetizers? Because we want
The best appetizers? The boudin balls are pretty good. The crab cakes are good.
So the menu.
Well, for appetizers, Jack, what do you think it is? You want to try the boudin balls? Because he's sold on that.
Yeah,
I like
let's do that.
I want. And we could do the gator meat as an appetizer.
Soft shell crabs. Oh my goodness.
What do you see? Where are you looking?
I'm looking at the fried baskets.
Oh, geez.
They have soft shell crab.
Yes.
You put the whole thing in
So
your
for
mouth.
appetizers, we want to get. You want to start with 3 appetizers first?
Don't matter.
All right, let's do the boudin balls. We'll do the gator meat. And what's enough? Give me another good, something good from you guys.
Well, I mean, like the crab cakes are pretty good.
All right, then we'll get crab cakes. Let's start with those 3 appetizers. And
We don't normally eat bread, but this bread is a special family recipe. He created it. What did he say was in it? I missed it.
Crab, stuffed
Crab in
inside.
that bread. That's one of their most famous appetizers.
And he put it in the oven after that.
So we're gonna take a bite right now. So go ahead and take a bite and explain.
Here we go.
Explain to people what you're tasting there. Can you taste the crab? That's what I want to know.
All I can say is heavenly.
No, you can't say that.
It's out of
People's mouths are watering right now.
Yeah, well, mine is too. For another bite,
And
it's delicious.
And you're eating it. They're like, well, that's good, but you.
The cheeses, the crab, it's like a crab spread. I am telling you, this is good enough to spread on anything. That doesn't make your mouth water. I don't know what will.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's one of their most popular items. He said, is that seafood
It's
bread.
listed as an appetizer too, seafood bread.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that before.
Okay, so really good. It's so good I can't take it out of the mouth. It's that good. So half-size bread. It's awesome. Trust me.
The selection is pretty encompassing and a lot better than the previous restaurant we went to. You've got gator meat on here, you've got crab on here, you've got soups, clam chowder, rice gumbo, crawfish etouffee, jambalaya.
Yeah, it's more Cajun.
Oh yeah.
The other one was just kind of seafood. This is more of a Cajun kick
This
to
is
it.
definitely a Cajun theme throughout everything. They've got king crab, Dungeness, blue crab, 3 styles, scallops, and lobster.
They had brown clams. Have you ever heard of brown clams?
No, and green mussels. Never heard of them either.
Never heard of that.
This is our house sauce, a special house blend. I've given you 2 of those. Typically, I would do house sauce with every one of these.
Oh, really? It's that
Yeah.
good?
Well, I mean, yeah. That's just typically what we serve. Honey mustard and barbecue with the gator meat.
Right,
Just
right.
because the house sauce and cocktail sauce with the crab legs, with the crab cakes, or the little things on the side.
Yeah.
They're like crab claws.
Oh, nice.
That is actually imitation crab meat.
Right.
We just put it in as an extra.
Right.
It's kind of like a corn dog.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
We'll take it.
But it's actually really good. But just watch how you bite into it because there is a stick in there.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Alrighty. This is what we're gonna do. You're gonna pick one, and then I'll pick one, and then you'll pick one. Are you ready? Look at him, he's all
Oh, yeah.
excited.
Let me
He's
get
like
my
a little
napkins
kid.
ready.
This is Charles being a little kid.
Hey, buddy, this is what it's all about. All right, so we've got, this is their house sauce. He said goes real good. And he says, really, that goes on everything if you want it. It's so popular.
Really?
Yeah, then in this one, they've got barbecue, they've got mustard, they've got cocktail sauce, and the house sauce again. These are the crab cakes.
Right.
This is imitation.
That's imitation crab, but it's extra.
Yeah.
I love it.
Threw it in, it was good.
Yeah.
This is our gator meat, which I can't wait to chomp on that. And these are boudin balls, which are in South sausage balls, is what
Yeah,
these are.
those are sausage balls.
So we're
okay.
gonna try this.
All right.
I'm gonna try to.
Eddie, what are you starting with?
All right, I'm gonna start with a boudin ball, which is a sausage ball in their house Cajun dressing. And he says this is good on everything, so I trust this dude. Well, here we go. How much was it hot?
Oh. Did it just come out of the fryer? Is your mouth burning?
Very good.
Very good. That's the
Oh,
first
yeah,
time
you
you've
gotta
ever had a
try this.
boudin ball?
And that first I ever heard of a boudin
Oh, I've had
ball.
them before.
No, very tasty. Yeah, we're gonna. I can see we'll be back here.
I'm going to start with the gator meat. All right. Go with the gator meat, and then you'll go with the crab cakes, okay?
Yes.
All right, so let's try this in a little barbecue sauce. I don't want to drench it like I normally do, because I want to be able to taste it.
I love gator meats.
Oh, this is good. Oh, wow. Real good.
You think like
I
you're
won't
gonna go
double
back?
dip. I won't double dip. I won't do it.
Try it with.
You're doing it.
You did the barbecue.
Yeah, go ahead and grab it if you want barbecue.
You know what? Let me.
I just want to do one sample piece, then we can sit and eat.
Let's try this.
Right? So that's one of the crab claw, imitation crab claws
Right.
on a stick.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll be careful when we bite this, and we'll put it in their house.
You like their house?
Oh, it's very tasty. It's on the order of Thousand Islands.
You have
very
a little
tasty.
drool on your lip there. No, just kidding.
Well, here we go.
All right.
Very lightly fried. This is really tasty. And very moist the fish.
Look at it. It looks beautiful.
The fork.
Now I can see the 2 crab cakes. No, grab one. You're going to take a bite.
Oh, yes,
If you
I
want
will.
to, yeah, you got paper on the table. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that at all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Look at
Oh,
every
look
time
at
I
this.
film you, you're like a little kid.
I love this. Are you kidding me? Now, what's a good sauce? We're going to do the house, or what do we do on this?
It all depends on what your palate likes.
You know what? He said the barbecue, not the barbecue, the
Cocktail sauce, right?
was good. So I'm going to try a little bit. I'm going to experiment.
I would. Your first bite, I would try to keep as little sauce as possible. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, just.
And this way, you can taste what it's like.
Oh, here she goes.
Uh-oh. Is it hot? Delicate, right?
Oh, yeah.
I bet it is. Look at, you can see the bits of crab in there.
Oh, this is very, very tasty.
Oh, that looks so good.
Moist as can be. Are you kidding me?
All right, so let's talk about, before I continue to eat, let's talk about what Juicy Seafood did.
Well, as you look around the restaurant, all this decor was so familiar when we walked in. We thought we were walking into Juicy Seafood.
Right?
And we said there's a little more than a coincidence here. So we talked to the head manager, who, by the way, treated us like we were kings.
Oh, he's awesome.
He's been awesome, and he gave us the lowdown that when Juicy Seafood was in production and building, the owner comes in here with a camera, shot pictures. These guys were already established. Talked to their personnel to get recipes and asked a ton of questions. And the next thing you know, they built a restaurant and copycatted these guys.
Exactly.
So,
Are you seriously wearing one of those?
Hey,
oh, wait.
listen.
It's coming on. Hold on.
it's coming.
Full service here.
Hold on a minute. Wait. Let's turn it around.
Oh.
You got to see me.
Yes,
There we
I
go.
do.
All right. So, I guess I'm wearing this.
You're part of the family now.
He tied it on for me, so I really didn't have a choice. So, it happens.
And here it is. Look
at
at
that.
that seafood.
All this in a bottom is butter and seasoning.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Look at that.
That's what I'm talking about. I can smell it. Can you smell it? Can you smell it?
I'm gonna do better than that here in a minute.
But I can smell it.
All right.
It's
so,
amazing. All right, let's get messy.
shells in the bucket, leave
Right.
the good stuff in the bag. You get full, you want to take it with you, tie this bag up. I will put another bag around it, you be ready to go.
All right, thank you,
You
sir.
guys want gloves?
No, we're good.
All right, dig in.
Thank you. So anyway, I just want to talk to you about this. So Charles said, no.
You're throwing me
Charles-
under the bus.
I am. Charles said you can eat the outside. You don't have to peel the shrimp. The whole thing's healthy. He's been doing it his whole life. And so from now on, I don't peel. I'm too lazy. I might pull the tail off. Hold on a minute.
That sounds like more.
All right, go ahead and show me. What do we got?
Look at this. We ordered Dungeness crab. Look at that. Is that not a chunk? Plus, we've
Look at
got
the juice.
nice pieces of sausage in here. Oh, this is ridiculously good. Look at this. 2 big pieces of and shrimp.
Oh my
Oh, yeah.
goodness.
Oh,
It's
this
beautiful.
is-
And there's corn on the cob.
And corn on the cob.
And potatoes.
And tons of delicious.
Small red potatoes are in there.
I
Just
go
like your
for the
regular.
shrimp.
Look at them. Go ahead.
I've been doing this as a kid.
You already
Everything
just-
goes down the hatch.
Good. This is unbelievable. Look, this is more sauce than Juicy Seafood.
Very fresh.
More sauce. Now,
I just got taught how to take meat out of a crab leg. Oh,
I didn't
yes.
realize he didn't know, but look how big that piece is. Now you're gonna put that piece in your mouth, and it's gonna be the best tasting meat you've ever had. Yeah.
Very tender and very fresh. Well, the tradition here, if you eat at the Storming Crab, you get to put your name in letters. So here we go. We did youtube.com/fishhook19. Charles Caputo, Jack Scalfani. This was an awesome adventure for lunch. And then this is what's left over, and this weighs about 2+ pounds. We couldn't even finish what we ate.
And what did we order? You remember?
We had an appetizer of gator. We had boudin balls, which is
Right,
sausage.
right.
And what was the other one we had?
The other one was the crab cakes.
The crab cakes. Every one was unique, and I'm telling you, delicious. It's nice to have gator in Tennessee, on the plate, that is.
And
everything was there.
you'll be back, right?
Oh, are you kidding me? I want to take my family here this weekend.
If there was a 6-star restaurant, this would be a 6-star restaurant. This place is the originator of this concept. We did Juicy Seafood, and they were great, but we realized that Juicy Seafood took it off this place. They stole their idea, took pictures, copied their menu, copied their recipes, everything. And I'm not a big fan of that. If a recipe's public, yeah, sure. But if you go in to steal it, that's a little bit different. So, anyway, I recommend this place. I recommend you show love to this place. I recommend you talk to Rob, tell him that you saw it on Fishhook and that you love this place and it's awesome, all right? You guys take care and we'll see you on the next episode.